Welcome to High Grade School and Academy. I am Little Hyena, the storyteller. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story of a little girl, Luna, and lost little star. Once upon a time, in a small, sleepy village, there lived a curious little girl named Luna. She loved the night sky. Every evening she would sit by her window, counting the stars until her eyes grew heavy. One night, as she gazed at the twinkling lights above, Luna noticed something strange. One star was wobbling. It flickered, wiggled, and then whoosh! It fell right out of the sky. Luna ran outside and followed trail of golden sparkles left behind. Deep in the meadow, she found a tiny glowing star, no bigger than a cookie, shivering in the grass. "Hello, little star," Luna whispered, scooping it up gently. "Are you lost?" The star gave a tiny ding, sound like a bell. Luna knew she had to help it find its way home, so she stuck the star in her pocket, grabbed her warm scarf, set off on a nighttime adventure. Along the way, she met Oliver the owl, who hooted, "Follow the wind, it will point you to the tallest hill." Bella, the bunny, who hopped alongside and gave Luna a carrot for the journey. Milo, the mouse, who lit the path with a lantern almost as big as himself. Finally, they reached the tallest hill in the village. The wind swirled around them, lifting Luna's hair. She held the star high and said, "It's time to go home, little one." The star gave another ding and floated up, up, and up until it found its place back among its shining friends. That night, the sky twinkled a little brighter than usual, and Luna knew the star was smiling down at her. And from then on, every time a star twinkled, especially bright, Luna would wave and whisper, "Hello again, my little star." Thanks for watching High Grade School and Academy.